for promoting and strengthening local production for supply school meals. Backed by the World Food Program, farmers in Tha-Tang district are receiving assistance to cultivate vegetable and provide eggs and other produce specifically for primary schools. This initiative established a direct connection between schools and local farmers, ensuring that children receive fresh, nutritious meals while farmers generate additional income and enhance their agricultural skills.
โครงการของพวกเฮาเนาะได้ส่งเสริมชาวเกษตรกรอยู่ในคันบ้านนี้เพื่อให้เพิ่นได้ผลิตเนาะเกษตรกรรม
Mr. Somphon Sidavo, the project coordinator, mentioned that the project is being implemented in 3 districts of Sekong province involving 55 villages. In Tha-Tang district alone, 26 villages and 117 households are actively participating in the program.
ข้าพเจ้าภูมิอกภูมิใจที่สุดที่ได้รับทุนเลี้ยงไก่พันธุ์ไข่
Farmers are organized into production groups that concentrate on crop cultivation and livestock raising, particularly egg-laying chickens, to meet the daily food requirements of schools. For instance, in Palang Nua village, multiple households now supply fresh eggs to nearby schools on a daily basis. Through training in animal health, vaccination procedures, and enhanced husbandry practices, farmers have transitioned from traditional low-yield methods to more efficient and productive systems. The project has also introduced superior breeds and offered technical advice to ensure long-term sustainability. In addition to poultry, families have received vegetable seeds, farming supplies, and guidance on managing household gardens. These collective efforts enable farmers to deliver a variety of vegetables to local schools at affordable prices agreed upon by the project, often significantly lower than market rates, while upholding quality and consistency. Beneficiary farmers have expressed that the program has lessened household expenses, increased their earnings, and improved food security within their communities. Simultaneously, schools benefits from a consistent supply of locally sourced food, reducing dependence on external providers and reinforcing the link between education and local progress.
ประกอบส่วนในการจัดตั้งเวียกอาหารเที่ยงแต่จุดที่เราต้องเอาใจใส่ก็คือเรื่องของความยืนยงของเวียกงานดังกล่าวเนาะอันนี้เป็นจุดที่สำคัญที่เราให้ความสำคัญหลายกว่า
Looking forward, the project aims to expand farmer groups, memberships, and promote the exchange of breeding stock and seeds, further diversifying school meals and enhancing resilient local food systems. By centralizing farmers in school nutrition initiatives, Tha-Tang district is showcasing how community-driven agriculture can deliver enduring advantages for both children and rural households.